Oh, there it is. There's the retard speed. Yeah, high speed turn. Now pin it.
Oh, that was so close.
Oh! You see the water spitting out the side of that? It doesn't even have a jet. It's on the steam. That was wheeling the whole way through the tunnel here.
Hey, George, you recording?
Oh, yeah. Go. I don't think it wants to stay in the water.
It's moving.
Jeez. Dude, that's 6S?
Yeah.
See, when it gets flying, it's not hopping anymore, right?
Yeah, yeah.
There's hopping. Okay. Oh, there it goes. Gotta get 6S.
I'm thinking.
Look at that thing go.
Sit still and try to keep it warm. It's not really making it turn slower after the I can't get out while you're in. What's that?
Did you already do a whole stop right here and then go?
It doesn't jump out. That's what the throttle's doing.
Okay. Cool. That was a turn.
I wanted to see if it was Let's see how tight of a turn she'll do. Great.
You don't want to buy another one.
You gotta see, you got some balls there.
Yeah. Yeah, I gotta go 6S. Oh, they were saying.
You might actually make me one forward.
Yeah.
See, most of the running around though, I'm not cranking on the throttle, I'm just cruising, right?
Yeah.
So I'll slow it, brake,
wants to twist out of the water.
That's a good sign.
Yep. More? Outside shallow, eh?
How shallow? Looks shallow.
Yeah, that's what mine did. So it's doing the right thing. It's going to 1/3 power. That's good. Is that it? What? Set up a
Have we stopped it?
How